You remember what happened over here?
What?
Do you remember what happened over here?
Guys, guess what? Do you know that last time I was sick
Yeah.
and I wasn't feeling well?
Yeah.
Like when I eat something,
Yeah.
it kind of like comes up
Yeah.
and then just like make me feel like vomiting.
Yeah.
A lot.
And that's what happened over here?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna first vacuum this thing here. We're gonna use this vacuum to slightly clean this up, and then we're gonna experiment with something we bought, right?
Yeah.
So we got this one right here.
Oh my feta.
All right. So we will start with filling up the water.
Oh,
It's back dirty again.
whoa! Look at it.
Close this thing right here, and this is closed. We will put this back. Meg, are you excited? I am so excited.
I can't wait.
Mm-hmm. There you go. You good. And then plug it right here.
Look at this, guys. It's so long.
Truth. Say moment of truth, guys.
Moment of truth.
Oh yeah. All right, point right here to the dark spot. Point right here to this spot, okay? Good.
It's working.
It's working? Is it working?
Sure, it's working.
Point over here, Mega. Come on, throw the camera right here.
How does it feel?
It's cold.
Oh.
I thought it's supposed to. Maybe there is a heat somewhere. Maybe I should turn on a heat somewhere. I haven't checked.
To melt it and then it sucks right in.
Yeah.
I know that. Baba.
Yes.
Ba, do you know that I'm smart? Oops, and
Oopsie.
great. I think it's kind of gonna work. You know?
Okay. All right. Let's continue. Ready,
Come
Mega?
on, guys. Woohoo! Let's go. Uh-huh. I'm dancing, see?
See, Mega, no, that's not what you do, Mega. Come on, you need to show how it works. See, let me see. If I press this thing here, you will see what it does. Just keep on looking, okay? See that?
Wow.
Yeah. See?
I'm screaming on the railing.
Mega, you're not helping, Mega. Come on, okay. Okay.
How did we do, guys? Did we do perfect or steady perfect?
Yeah.
Comment below or comment up.
That's a thumbs down, Mega. We just want comments. We don't want thumbs down, right?
Comment up or comment up.
All right.
And
How
see
did we
if
do,
you-
guys? How, if you like this product or how it worked out, comment below, right here below. Actually,
And
I think it did a
even
pretty good job.
Subscribe to our videos.
And subscribe to the videos. Thank you, Mega. Fishbowlproduction. Subscribe to the videos. And the one thing that I am a little surprised about, but I should not have been surprised, is that the water on the left side has not gone down by much. And there was very little dirty water collected on the right hand side. Now thinking, I think that's right, because you would not want to, if this water on the clean water was being used very fast, if the right side started filling out really quick, that means the left side was it was taking clean water from the left very quickly. And now I can think, right, like now having used it once, I know, I would not want to fill this clean water bottle again and again. So it uses very little water and makes the most of that little water, and then sucks the stains out of the carpet just like it did over here. And then when done, this is how it's supposed to look. So we go to the side, to the back. All right, this thing holds right here, the attachment, and then you will see the brush goes up like that, and then this thing, the cable, gets organized that way, and then the dirty water is gone. I will also toss the clean water, and then we are good.
Okay, guys, time to wash our hands.
All right, time to wash our hands. Thank you for helping my lovely daughter and a camera person for today, because you did a really good job holding the camera steady.
Now, guys, look at this result.
And off to doing more stuff around the house. But for now, this little cleaning project is officially done. And if you like the sort of videos being produced here, guys, give me a thumbs up. Put your comments down below, and please stay healthy and safe. We will see you on the next video. Bye.